Hey Evergreens, we have a math problem and we need your help. This is my roommate Jeff and his brother John.
How are you?
Right now they're reading the same book and we're trying to figure out who's going to finish the book first.
I read 100 pages, I read 30 each hour.
I've read 200 pages and I read 20 pages per hour.
Can you help us figure out who's going to finish this book first? In this problem, we were given our variable definitions as h is the number of hours read and p as the number of pages read. We have to use these two variables in order to get full points on the regions. When I say go, take 45 seconds to silently and independently identify which functions represent the number of pages each brother has read so far based on the number of hours they've spent reading. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. The equations we should have identified were P equals 30H plus 100 for Jeff and P equals 20H plus 200 for John. We need to make sure that the slope is the number of pages they read each hour and the y-intercept is the number of pages they have already read. Now that we know our two equations, we have to use them to determine who is going to finish the book first. If we know the book is 550 pages long, how can we represent that in the equation? When I say go, turn and talk with your partner for 20 seconds. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. In this instance, the 550 should be substituted in for P, the total number of pages read. We can then figure out how many hours it will take each of them to read the entire book. If you said 550 went for H, that would represent how many pages they would read in 550 hours, which is not the same as reading a 550-page book. Now that we know how to use these equations, we are going to jump into practicing solving. When I say go, take one silent solo minute to determine how long it will take each brother to finish reading the book. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. Looking at the process of solving both of these equations, we can see that Jeff will finish reading the book in 15 hours and John will finish reading the book in 17 and a half hours. So we know Jeff will finish the book first.
Thanks, Evergreens. We knew we could count on you.